Have you ever wanted to remove the background from a photo without using Photoshop or paying for expensive software? Well, now you can do it for free using ChatGPT in just a few seconds. Whether it's a product photo, profile photo, or logo or thumbnail, ChatGPT can remove the background with just one prompt. Let me show you how. First, open ChatGPT. Make sure you are signed in. Now click on our pin icon. And friend, by this way you can easily upload portrait image, products, logo, animal, even complex images you can upload over here. Okay. So right now I'm going to upload this dog image. Once the image uploads, type the simple prompt. Remove the background from this image and make it transparent. Okay. And then what you will do, simply click on this send prompt. ChatGPT starts processing the image automatically. Within a few moments, your image will appear with the background completely removed. No manual selection, no complicated tools, no editing experience required. Now simply open the generated image and here click download to save it. The image keeps the subject while removing everything behind it. This is perfect for YouTube thumbnail, product listing, and social media post, presentations, online store, logos, graphics design, and projects. After removing the background, you can also ask ChatGPT things like replace the background with a white studio background or add a blue gradient background or even create a professional office background. You can completely transform your photo using simple text prompt. Let's do one thing over here, okay? Let's see the output. If your image has very fine details like hair or transparent objects, the result may vary depending on the image quality. For the best result, upload a high resolution image with a clear subject. So friend, here you can see that this is very high quality result we get from ChatGPT. And that's it. How easy it is to remove the background from any image using ChatGPT for free. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up, subscribe to Hello Helper, and let me know in the comment what ChatGPT tutorials you would like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.